All right, Bruchim Habayim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas, Beshalach. In the book of Exodus, chapter 13, verse 18, we read, Ve'yasev Elokim esa'am derech hamidbar yamsuf v'chamushim alu v'nei Yisrael me'eretz Mitzrayim. But God led the people about in a roundabout way by the way of the wilderness, by the Red Sea, or the Sea of Reeds. And the children of Israel went up armed out of the land of Egypt. This word armed is a rather strange word, chamushim. Rashi says in chamushim elamazionim that the main term of chamushim means that they're armed, as the translation goes. I know Rabbi Hertz finds an Egyptian word for a particular type of weapon that's related to this. Similarly, in the first chapter of Joshua, it says that you will pass over the Jordan River chamushim, armed. So Unclus understands that they were rallied up, that they were mustered up. Again, in Genesis 14, that it says that they mustered up the troops, that they were mustered up. However, Rashi also brings from the Mechilta a medrash, that chamushim is related to the word 5, which means that only 1/5 of the Israelite people left Egypt, and 4/5 died during the 3 days of darkness. Says my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, in the Gur Aryeh, the reason why Rashi brings this medrash is that there's a question on the simple meaning of the scripture. Because it should have just said they went with armed, if we're saying it means armed, but why does it say that they went up armed, that they ascended? And so therefore that's why it means that only 1/5 went up, that 1/5 ascended, 1/5 got up, the rest stayed down. That only 1/5 of the community left. Similarly, we can expand this. I remember hearing from Rav Matisyahu Solomon Satzal. He brings, based on these different opinions of Rashi, another opinion from the Targum Yerushalmi. Not that 1/5 left, but that there were 5 extra. And so he explains that actually all 3 are together, and also we could maybe apply this idea that the Heilige Zayda, the Maharal, brings, that Alu, this question of what it means they went up, so that they ascended. So he said that if 4/5 died, that means there were a lot of orphans, so that when it says there were 5 extra, according to Targum Yerushalmi, the Targum Yonason, so therefore the people they adopted, each family adopted 5 orphans, and that was the weapon, that was what made them rise up, because of the mitzvah of adopting the orphans. So therefore they went up, that was the merit that served as their weaponry, as their shield to protect them as they left Egypt. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good Shabbos. See you later. God bless.